come and see. This is the studio unit we're located in Ayala, Cebu Business Park. And mao ni siya ang ato ang toilet with shower. As you see, dako siya. Dakog space ang toilet and shower. So let's proceed to the kitchen. Here the Rems hood and kitchen cabinet up and down. Kusog siya tubig. Then mao ni ato ang pocket dining area. Kay studio raman siya, so duha ra jud siya ka chair, good for 2 person or 1 person living ra jud siya. So tan-aw nato ang view from your unit. Kita nimo mountain area and the neighborhood around you. So mo ni imong bed. Ingani ang setup sa imong bed. Double size bedroom. So maani. Mo ni atong studio unit nga na ay balcony. So this is the swimming pool and the tiny clubhouse. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.